Welcome back to Strong's Garage.
Yeah, another Friday with Matt and Jim here.
Yeah, we're here again to thrill you with another video.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, to change things up.
It's been a little bit of time between the last time we made a video. We've been kind of busy doing some stuff. Busy times.
Yeah. And how you can't help yourselves buying a car when it comes along.
We did find a car.
Last Sunday, I was at my visiting my uncles, and they had told me about a car that had come in. They work at a dealership. And
yeah, they maybe they took it on trade.
Oh, yeah. Unbeknownst, but I was like, whoa, cool. Let's saw it from the back end.
Anyways, it came up that the fellow that had it, Don, this guy, and his friend Rob was going to buy it. And anyway, they decided not to. So they gave Jim's uncles, gave Jim a call there. And we went and had a look at it and thought, yeah, that's something we could probably do something. So here we go. Let's go take a look at this new car we got.
Yeah. All right, Matt. Well, most people say, or no, not most, but some people say they'd rather push a Chev than drive a Ford. But after that, I'm not so sure about it.
I'm not sure. No.
Yeah.
Well, they don't push as good as a Ford, that's for sure.
So
here it is, 31 Chev Coupe.
Yeah.
Kind of neat.
Very cool car.
It's just the coolest green I've ever seen. And
so,
Jim's uncles put us onto this, and Rob passed on it, and Don sold it to us. So thanks to all of them.
Oh, thank you, guys.
It's ended up right here.
Yeah, which I think is a good home for something like this.
Sure. Definitely been inside for a better part of its life, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, the story is that the fella that they got it from was, I think, in his 80s, and he had bought it 40 years ago and put it in a shed, and time to let it go. But sadly, Matt and I were saying 40 years ago is only in the 80s.
Well, here we are, Chevy Coupe. Chevy Coupe. This is a nice bookend to Jim's Model A Coupe, though, isn't it?
Yes. It's very nice to see the comparisons between the two.
Six-wheeler. Let's have a look under the hood here.
Yeah.
That light is in there. Oh, there you go. 6-cylinder Chevy powered.
Yeah. Got just enough grime on it.
It looks like it was like a beige color and a maroon. Like a two-tone. That's pretty cool with black fenders and maroon wheels. So there's the Chevy 6, the infamous Chevy 6, the first version of it, or the first couple iterations of it. As you can see, it's
oh, the guy got
just about
that's where it ended.
Yeah.
That's what parked it.
Yeah, he couldn't put the hose on.
The
he gave
hose
up.
went, and it must be.
These Chevys do have quite a bit more wood than a Ford, which is why they are often failed. When you see a Ford parked in a field, it just looks like a car. When you see a Chevy parked in a field, it looks like a pile of tin. There you go. Wide load.
Wide load, huh? Okay. That's how they got it home.
Yeah.
You kind of get the idea of what these fairly fancy door cards would have been like.
Mohair, ashtray. Somebody's got a heater in it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's see how the spare tire
would have had a little pocket here.
Yeah, the pocket deal.
Yeah.
Put this in the
Oh, let's see what that looks like.
Yeah.
That's the last new tire we needed.
Hey, there we go.
He never got around to putting it on.
The 4-tire special.
Yeah.
This is cool. Let's have a look here.
Yeah, see how it fits.
Oh!
Holy, close that door. What an elegant
Now we
machine.
got something, eh?
Your 6-wheeler.
It's just so cool to find them just as they were, you know?
Yeah.
Like, it's a bit beat, but it's beat in a way that is conducive to the age at the time it was parked.
Yeah, and it kind of tells more stories about like how hard the roads were back then that you'd kind of...
But a car like this, for us, if we were talking about it on the way home, this would be really neat to just mechanically go through it, fix quite a few of the dents, give it a light polish, nothing crazy, clean up the interior a bit, preserve it as the car that it is.
Exactly, preservation.
There's only one of these, you know. So it's kind of cool. It's almost good enough, as you can see. Come on in here, I'll show you these Chevys are all. They actually have wood in the doors. You can see the doors are all tacked together.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Posts are wood. Like they're quite a wooden car. And the wood is in pretty good shape except for the roof here, the header panel.
You can kind of see that it's...
Yeah, that's the issue. But the rest of the car is very, very solid.
And just super cool. Like what's left of the interior is still there. You've got frost shield and
remnants.
Probably doesn't work anymore, but the curtain
shutter
here, the shutter. So that's pretty soft.
These really cool, dainty little garnish moldings.
Oh yeah.
With the wood grain on them.
Very nice. Here you get your little switch for your interior light.
Yeah.
Have to be freed up at some point.
These Chevys also, unlike a Ford, they're like a Chrysler or a Dodge. The windshield goes up. It doesn't flip out.
Let's take a look here. Yep.
As you can see, it retains its original plate glass windshield as well as the rest of the car is all plate glass.
Yeah, so that would just roll up underneath the visor into that.
I wonder if it'll move at all.
Take a peek.
As you can see, it's still, there you go.
Is that ever cool?
There it goes. Isn't that something?
Wow.
There, and then you get wind in your face. You see?
Yeah, bumblebees, wind, all the best of the outdoors inside.
On our way home, we stopped and got lunch, and there was a guy out in the parking lot fixing windows, but he said he couldn't fix that crack.
Yeah, and what were you calling these plate glass windows, Matt?
Those tulip windows, they call them, because people's, when you got in a car accident, this is pretty damaging to one's head.
Oh yeah, human flesh.
You go through, but then when you come back, part of you stays on the outside, and the other part goes back in.
Yeah, but
more or less not safety glass. Opposite of safety glass, in fact. Yeah. And the dash is beautiful.
Yeah, this is very cool. I haven't seen much of these Chevys sort of in close, and somebody snagged the speedometer.
Yeah, but if you look, the gauge, part of it is on the floor, so they must have had trouble with it.
Gasoline gauge, water, amps,
this
oil
is
pressure.
Way more than a Ford has.
Instrumentation-wise, yeah.
Here's the original, probably the original hose was like this tin pipe. Adjustable seat. There's a hood latch that was missing. What's all in here? Mohair.
Oh, man, yeah.
Came with a Ford Model A rim.
What's this, an old cup here?
Yeah, cup. We got an old cup. You got a can of, can of starting fluid.
Oh, yeah.
Probably a hard starter. Yeah. And
lid
paint can lid. There's a bumper in there.
Hey, perfect.
The guy's driving gloves. You see how hard he drove that car?
Holy.
Drove right through his gloves.
Well, check out that play in the steering wheel, and you can tell.
Oh, yeah, here you go. Now, that means it was driven up to this point.
Yeah.
One has to remember going down the road, correcting like this.
Yeah.
That is some worn steering. That's probably the wear on the gloves. There's a nice pair of gloves for somebody.
Soak that.
Some wood. What else we got in here? Some kind of
a leather
bridle
strap,
or something, or something from a horse. It looks like a bridle part.
Yeah.
Got tube of grease, so well greased and looks like Gulf. We get to the that good Gulf grease, you know.
Oh, look at that!
There it is. Yeah, Gulf.
Yeah. I wouldn't guess that the only thing worn out on this car is the grease nipples.
Yeah, I would think so.
And the steering box.
And the steering box, of course.
Yeah.
And okay, there's a bit of a hole in the floor there. That's fine. That's nothing major.
Thin, but
there's a snow brush.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
For those of even warmer climates, you just use this to brush the snow off your car.
How about the back window? Does it go down? And it does. Part way. You don't want to jam anything, but there it goes. See?
Oh wow. Because this is a rumble seat car, so
so there you can speak to your passengers now and see if
let them know what's going on.
A bit of the wood for templates. See? Yeah, more or less just nothing.
Yeah.
All right, what else we got? Yeah, it's a rumble seat car. The rumble lid was not attached.
Yeah, but you've got your steps here getting up there.
There, you kind of get the idea. A couple of bolts and away you go.
The illusion of rumble seat experiencing. You talk to the driver.
I can't believe those windows roll down. That's cool.
That's very cool.
All right.
Perfect. Yeah,
that's in nice shape.
Chev's gas tank in the back.
Yeah, just like a 32 Ford. I think these Chevs are the same 31 and 32 are similar. I'm not a Chevy expert.
Yeah, not yet.
But, not yet. I know there's some welding rods in here. We'll need those when we go to restore
perfect.
it.
Yeah, fix up a few things.
What else we got in here, Jim?
think we got
the lid.
lid.
There's a bumper
Hey, the bumper.
with a trailer
front
hitch.
or back? Well, probably be the back.
I would say. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. This is just like a coffee holder for rumble seat.
There you
There,
go.
yeah.
Got a trailer hitch on it, so
Oh, good.
ready to head to the lake with the boat. Come with a spare inner tube. A couple of patches required.
Perfect.
No? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And,
What else? Is that a mouse nest?
yeah. Hopefully there's no mice.
No, they don't want no one. We already had a squirrel fiasco.
And then back to that same
Oh, what do
hole
we
from
got
the front.
here?
Uh-oh. Oh, no way.
This treasure trove. Look at this hat.
Wow.
Look at this winter cap. Look at this.
What a cap.
That is a cap. Unzip.
Oh, man.
That's not in bad shape at all. Let's see if that can be revived.
Yeah, right.
In the washing machine.
Yeah.
Will it
Holy,
wash?
will that ever
That's
cover
cool.
your head? And Matt, he's blessed with a regular-sized head, so any hat stuff we find, he's usually the guy for it.
The hat culprit.
Yeah.
What do we got here? Box. Really old cigarette package.
Ah,
Or
perfect.
something like that.
Hey, I know a guy we could mail that to.
It kind of just a lot of dirt, eh?
Yeah.
There's some broken glass. But I'll tell you the best part of this whole car right here. Well, this
Okay.
hat is right up there.
Okay, the hat might take the take. Yeah.
But right here, this is this is what sold us on the unit.
Yeah, we'll just show people here first, and they can
Yeah, take
make
a
their own
gander. Make your own,
deduction
yeah.
as to what is so great about it.
Yeah. Well, these Chevs, they got a real trouble for breaking the. Apparently, they got a trouble for breaking the taillight stanchion, the fender breaking. So,
yeah.
Ford to the rescue. This is an early Model T Ford transmission cover. Put on the fender with the same bolts that hold it on the Model T. Holding up the Chevy taillight right here.
Yeah, and look at that. It spreads the load out so well. Like this.
It
is
hasn't
just,
broke again,
yeah.
has it? The fender will come off before
Oh,
that light
yeah.
now.
But really interesting just how hard of a life these cars had
yeah.
back in the day. Just reinforcements in the fenders and like just from vibrations and
Oh yeah, well they just think about it going down the road, just
yeah.
you know. So not much different on this side. We got the loose wood syndrome here a little bit, but not bad. I mean, it's really quite good. Quite good. The car's really straight this way, like the body itself.
Oh
right?
yeah.
And then this is missing on the other side, but that's what holds the spare tire. It's cool. This clamps on top like that. These are quite fast. This is a high-end car.
You can see the remainder of the cowl light too.
And if you look, you can see the design of the cowl light. We need some cowl lights we're missing, but the cowl light matches the lone headlight we have.
Oh yes, we should set up one side as a.
Yeah, we just set up the It's even got wiring. So.
Oh, that one's ready to go. Restored.
Wonder if it'll come on, eh?
Oh yeah.
As you can see.
Old Droopy there.
Yeah, this headlight known as Old Droopy.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, come and look at this motor. It's pretty cool too.
Oh yes, this is.
There it is, clean as a whistle. These Chev 6s, these early ones are really streamlined looking, smooth, and here's the tag. Boy, I can't get over that hat. That hat is cool.
Oh man.
No, that's a winter hat for the ages.
Always
isn't
something for you
it?
guys.
Winter's coming too.
Yes.
Look at.
Like it or not. And it's green. It matches the car.
Well, that's probably a Sunday hat.
Jeez.
Last time this car was driven, it was cold. And he couldn't get to start with the ether.
Yeah.
The polar liner.
Wow.
Made in
Look at that
Canada.
old patent pending.
Safety Supply
Ontario.
Company. You see?
Yeah. Well, what's the zip?
Well, you
zipper
take. I
for?
think you can take the ears off. You don't want them.
Oh, turn into a stylish hat.
It's like cutting the brim off your baseball cap.
Ah.
See? I'll just unzip it to see what it looks like. Oh, this is
It's
insane.
asking a lot of that old hat.
Well, no, I think I can try. I think we can. There you go. See? And then it's just nothing more than a regular small brimmed hat. And then the lighter flaps. I guess for warmer weather.
Ah, yes.
And this is
yes.
the inclement weather.
Wow, to have
attachment.
both pieces is
Not many of
really
these survive with
something
both
else.
pieces, eh?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, so anyway, there's the 31 Chev. We're going to do a thing, see if it runs.
Yeah.
I don't know what else is there to say, Jim, other than a few missing pieces here and there, but overall it's survived quite well.
Exactly. You can get a look down here. Oh, we put this wheel here now. You're going to just lift her up.
Oh, I can do that, yeah. We'll just remove the wheel covering here. So when you have a flat tire, and then on the car it goes.
The car. But
There you go,
super
Fisher
cool.
Body Works.
Yeah. There it is. Body by Fisher.
Yeah.
for unloading it, and because it's all mechanical brakes, cable brakes, still working.
There's not even any brake chatter on the thing. Well, thanks to them guys for letting the car go, and
Yeah,
we'll see what we can do with it around here. Right now, we got a few things on the go, so it might sit on the back burner for a little bit. But
yeah, hopefully.
How can you say no to this?
Right? No. Yeah.
What a pretty car.